I'll be telling James where to go and when to get in.
Need a bit of covering. One down.
You see the man?
Yeah, I see him, mate. He's down.
Oh, got him!
Headshot.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
Is that you, was it? Oh, I heard your pump action. Hey guys and girls, Fox Green back again, and this time I'm playing in Viper Airsoft in Mayo. In this first defence-based game, I started a little late, and my team has already fallen back to the second base.
Right
In this game, all defenders have only one life in each base. Wrong way. This is my first time playing in Viper Airsoft, which is a very densely wooded airsoft site. Yeah, good for you, Louis.
There's two already across at those players right there.
In this base, the enemies have to attack us over two bridges. I'm defending the bridge on the far right. It takes me a while to find a nice defensive position, but when I do, it works out well. As you can see, the enemies are starting to make a mad dash across the right-hand side bridge. Once enemies are crossing in my sights, they're easily within range. Getting a nice view there now.
Oh yeah, that's the perfect spot there until they see you.
Oh,
There we go.
I'm just starting to get the hang of playing at this site now. At this point, a lot of enemies have gotten across the bridge, and I'm taking them out whenever I get a chance. Getting them. I keep checking my left-hand side as I'm not sure if the enemies can flank me on that side. At this point, an enemy player has crawled up to a position in front of me and is starting to take pot shots at me. As I need to locate him, I need to stick my head up. I missed this shot.
I think he has a bead on you, has he?
Yeah, is you sneak around him somehow. Snake around him. Not gonna give him. I do know where he is. I can see him. Oh! I decide that the pistol is the way to go to overwhelm him with fire. Yeah, I saw him there for a glimpse. Peeker. He's down. In the time that it took me to take this player out, a lot of enemies have crossed the bridge and are now closing in on my position. That's two down. I work frantically to regain my ground. How are we doing left hand side? I have no visual.
Got a ton of them on your side now.
My side?
Yeah, they're all hiding behind them barriers and moving left. One lad.
Oh, I see him. At this point, a lot of my teammates are out of action and are fall back to the other base. Hit! Hit!
That was so fucking shot.
Now in this game, we're playing the role of attacking the enemies and pushing them back base by base.
Pushing, guys.
Similar rules apply. We've got unlimited lives and the defenders only have one. Time is what counts. The team that does it fastest wins.
That's someone firing on our left-hand side, hidden in the bushes.
The first objective we must take is the tank. Once we take this, we then can respawn from that area. Watch it, back left, back left. Good shot, good kill. It's a pity my scope cam was out of focus for the day because some of these shots were lovely. How close are they? Just one guy behind the tank. Anyone else?
No, I think there's people that side somewhere.
Yeah, there is.
I think I might got him.
Shit, sorry. Full auto. It's now time to make a push for the tank and take it.
Okay.
Tank clear.
Push up!
Push to the tank, will you?
Yeah, go. Right guys, watch it there, someone's firing. We might get 1 or 2 stragglers left.
I decide to throw a grenade in the tank. This will ensure that there's no players inside hiding, so we can capture it properly.
Are you sure there's anyone in there? Not anymore.
It's time to now enter the tank to capture it. I find my grenade, pick it up, and seeing as the tank is clear, I can move out and get ready to attack the next position across the bridge as I've shown in my previous defense video.
Flag down, the tractor's in here, quick.
Flags down guys, they've got 30 seconds to fall back. Let's fucking rush the crap out of this guys.
You shouldn't be saying that with a sniper.
This is how I play, man.
Guys,
Lads.
Now we're on to attack the artillery base. Within a short distance we're under a heavy volley of fire from enemies in all different directions. Taking out one of the players in the bunkers beside the artillery pit. We can now push up.
Watch it. Straight on guys. Right there. Tree line. 50 meters. Yeah. I see him, yeah.
Coming through.
Shit.
There are too many
Watch
small
it.
branches and twigs, and I can't get my BB
suppress
shoot
them.
to take out this player.
Stick his head back, it looks like. His head's coming out. Yeah, too many branches in front of that. Yeah. I'm gonna keep pushing up. Hit!
After getting hit and respawning, I decided to push up the left hand side to see if I can make better progress. By the time I get there, it's clear that my team are advancing very fast, as these are all dead enemy players coming back. These players are now going to the village across the 2 bridges, where in my first game I was defending.
I think there's a guy straight up that way.
At this point, our team are closing in on all sides, and there's only about 1 player left. He soon gets taken out.
Is that it?
Have a nice day. I'm a lefty, I'm going on the others.
Now we have to attack across the 2 bridges into the area that I was defending in the first clip. Getting across these 2 bridges will be the hard part, but once across we should be able to take out the base very quick. I'm right in position by the left hand bridge. In this location I am in range of enemy snipers. I need to be very careful, taking just small peeks at a time to spot enemy players. Just as I'm thinking about making a move to cross the bridge, the guy that's supposed to cover me gets sniped.
Lads, I need to give you a bit of covering. I'm gonna go now. Yeah. Oh, wait. Hit! Shit. Oh, that was a good shot. Sniper, I'd say.
I decide to push back to the cover behind me to use the range advantage of my SSG on this player.
First. There, that tire.
There's a guy way out there to the left by the tree, see him? I see him. Alright. He's down.
Oh, nice one.
Alright. Okay, guys. Push.
With this shot, the floodgates open and our team stream across, taking up positions really fast.
Yeah.
Will you keep an eye left, yeah?
I'll try, yeah.
oh wait, I got a guy.
Watch, you're gonna get hit, man.
Before I know it, this game is over and we've taken this base quicker than the enemy team have.
What happened? Is it? Did we get it? Fuck me.
started that now, Michael. You started that now, Michael.
Huh?
You started that first shot, me all got in.
Oh, he was a nice distance. I'm glad I got that one on camera.
I got fucking 3 knife kills as a
I hope you enjoyed this video of my 1-duel sniping in Viper Airsoft. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel or check out foxgreen_airsofter on Instagram.